Today I will show how to move funds from CoinMarketCap to your bank account. CoinMarketCap doesn't host crypto, you only build a portfolio. Okay, so tap the portfolio tab where you'll see your holdings. So here this portfolio is just for tracking. You don't really hold assets here. For example, if you bought Bitcoin on Coinbase, now you need to tap add transaction, select BTC, enter your amount. So I'll enter 0.001, hit add transaction, and it shows in your portfolio. Then it just reflects your real holdings on platforms like Coinbase or Binance. Now you need to withdraw cash, go back to the actual exchange holding your crypto. So for example, on Coinbase you can sell and withdraw to your bank. Then you can also remove a transaction by tapping three dots, remove. So here tap remove, and the item is removed from your portfolio view. But now you need to send crypto to cash, you must use your actual exchange. So CoinMarketCap cannot withdraw funds, it only tracks your holdings. Then that's how you'd convert portfolio tracking into real bank transfers. If this was helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video.